left that alone. That cat me name brother and 9 life me have. You think me easy for dead? That now go happen. That will never happen.
A quarrel, people come here from morning with them big money and I first trip them and make
Sites.
You see me, I first trip me and make you come here with the $5,000 or $1,000. My youth are work, I work. And the people them are going work. And when me have so now, me have my $1,000 now. And me think, go look change to come here. Me think go look change to come here. I want you man to work me I go. See your fear here, sir. You give me the change.
Come to buy something from him, I tell you say no change and him now get up go look the change, you know. That means I tell you say you must have to buy this, you know.
You customers right there for right yes, them kind of life there. Yes, because you go argue with people now and they say you're going to lose it because man say no take back your vehicle, you know.
Definitely.
Yeah, no take back your vehicle.
A regular happen, man.
No take back your vehicle.
Man come with him $1,000 because him know why you feel take collect from him. So in front you with the $1,000 first. But anyhow you decide if you change it, him tell you say yes, me have a smaller note. Why you never front me with the smaller note all the time?
You just tell him say you
owe me. Yeah, you good, me no have no change. Yeah.
Him just no want pay.
Right.
Yeah, but look here, you see me while you say man a plan got a wife?
Simple.
Yo, you see once you do business, may I tell you, if you really are the business, you have your change.
Yeah.
You can't argue with people. You know me say, man?
That's why I like a bully John say, into this a woman, yeah. Come with me $500 to pay him $100 out of carry him where him go. So when he realized the man drafting cheese pan full of silver, Mama could have find $100 that time. Him no want the $500 crumbs up in a silver, you know. Because bully John go crumbs you up in a silver gear back, you know. A $400 out of $5 kind bully John.
That's too heavy for him. That's too a big work that you take up there now, you know.
Too much weight for Mama bag. So Mama ball out quick say you have 100, yeah. Oh, you never know you have this all the time.
Before.
You just sites.
What the man them know when you come in and you take out your $5,000 give him a quarry.
Yes, man, a quarry. I say, I first trip this.
I bet if me didn't stop up there and tell him to drive, I mean, no money in back machine for me.
You see what me I say? You see what me I say?
Bumbo wall and you have
so we are saying we're in a level because you're paid. And
I bet if me never have no money, you still a quarry.
What you do? What people do?
What
people do?
And you give me $5,000.
Make my money last from me. Your money can't last from me.
We believe in that too, Cat.
Yeah, make my money last.
When a man pay them money,
tell me about my money last. My money last, which part?
Then if you carry me a court, and me tell the judge say, you didn't give me this money for chew. But it lasts.
You have to pay back.
Me I tell the judge, me not believe you.
Yeah. You have to pay back. Judge I tell him to pay back.
If judge believe you, judge I help you pay back my money. So me
judge I tell him to pay back.
Oh, me fi pay back and it last.
Then you last it.
You last it?
And I no spite me though.
And you last it. The judge know that?
For create action.
No sir.
Yeah man, and you last
no sir. No sir.
This did be tire and pan you.
Yes.
Yeah, man. If me beg you buy something and the money last.
Can't.
Yeah, buy back.
Can't last.
The money not gonna last from you.
No. Can't last.
Yo, I want to you know. Risk when me run with my things, we don't run with other people's things, you know. You better tell them no.
You know when you look up in and then send you a shop, what you do? You sing for the item till you reach.
Yes.
Bang on for that blood clot money can't last.
Let me give you a joke. You don't know say one day I with their work and at lunchtime. And such man say go buy a food for him. Such man I buy food. So them beg him buy one for him. One day they wait for the lunch till he come, you know. One day they wait for when they take a stop. Such man ride up bike, come out back and come sit down with him lunch.
Yeah.
Tell such man say for him money last. Right, that day they are working, brother. Call man and ask such man, our fee money last, you know.
Then they give you. Such man buy 4 tickets for 3 girls and 1 for himself.
Make 4.
Them a go play. But him give the girl them the 4 of them to keep. You don't know what happened the night at the play. The girl them tell him say fee one last.
Fee ticket
such
gone,
man
brother.
could not go. The girl them alone gone. What do you think about that?
Plan for such one.
Plan them plan.
No,
really.
man.
A plan for such one.
Them give another man fee more
So,
than them
how
want
you
go
mean?
with.
How you mean?
How
So,
you mean?
why make another one I buy the money?
So when I put no one corner last,
When
how
I
many
mean-
of them mark pan for me one?
Why
You
never
want
one I
Chunchi
girl
bias.
No, sir.
Oh, for me one, for me la fella.
Remember 4 away ago.
No, me last from.
Cat.
Oh my one last.
Yeah.
4 away ago. The 3 girl have for them ticket with Fimi one. Right? And my one last.
Oh my one.
Then I must be
My
one
one
last.
number, you know, we are still say 9 of me. 10 of fee and 11 fee and
Cat
12
have to
fee.
for your one last.
Oh, come.
Are you
And
not
then
the
me last.
Are you not the
Oh,
day?
you
The
mean
person went last from a fee one last.
Yes,
Me
you
know
not
I know.
go.
And that me know I know.
You not go to
Anybody
tonight.
will last
Yo,
from a
yeah,
them
me
get
you
knocked.
Yeah.
Then me a put to them.
So and me have 3
So
left.
me a put to them and me buy 4 and 1 last and a fee me one.
After.
And I me buy the 4.
Yes,
you
cat.
want pie so.
I feel your one last man.
You remember say a fee one last.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah,
and I me have the next 3.
me a go war for because I must fee one last.
Oh, for me one for last.
Alright, and if name right on the ticket, if name right on the ticket, you know, and the one where my name the pan last, you know, you better write for
Yeah,
name
we
for
switching
one,
up.
you
It
know.
have we switching up.
You mean what
Oh,
right
you last.
you mean?
Me go one and one.
No, I have a ticket them where you
Are
like.
you not going
Then
to
you have to
show
pay for my
Oh,
ticket.
you mean?
Are you not going to show enough?
You have to buy back the
When
next
you
one.
buy 4 of them, you know, cat for your one last.
No, no, we not go. Come here,
Nobody
last
now
year that
go.
tree.
Yeah.
Me I take the
And
other tree
them
last
tear up.
them.
Them tear up then.
Nobody now go to
Me I
that.
take the other tree and last them.
Nobody
Me
now
I
go.
take the other tree go sell back.
Somebody else.
No, we not go then,
Go down,
brother.
no,
It's
fuck
so
off.
unfair.
No, we going
Oh, you
nowhere.
mean?
We not take me for butter.
Me spend the
Oh, you
money.
mean?
Me spend the money and come back again and my ticket last and 3 and enjoy myself. So me a who?
Me a what?
Breeze.
Chunchi,
I mean,
Nobody
Breeze
going
ever go to
nowhere
the place.
tonight.
let me ask you a question. You and cat. What beat last?
What be it last?
Fine.
My man will last it.
Fine.
Yeah, I fine, but the man will last it too.
Nothing beat last but fine. Yeah.
Well, you go find it, you know.
Me,
You will last, you go find it, you know.
somebody find
No,
it.
say go. You never see
Yeah,
some,
go find
you never
it.
see people are walking and look at them so.
Yeah, you
Him
go
last
find
something.
it.
Done.
Go find
And last something, you know, so what you think him a
That
look
me
for?
know. Go
Him a try
find it.
find it. You not do the same thing.
You try go
You
find
going to do
it.
the same
No,
thing.
no, for me a boy, me hear people say no beat last.
But
So
fine.
if you send me out with your 100,000 or your $1 million,
And it last.
and it last.
You have to
it
find
just
it.
last.
No.
Me can't go to prison, me can't go to jail.
No.
Cause when me go and tell the judge say this last,
Remember when just saying,
But you can't drag that from it.
me not draw no card ring but the money last.
Who know the John come in the kitchen come make it.
The money last.
Look here, look here. Make us settle it. Make us settle it.
have to find the money.
But look here. Make we talk about this. Make we talk about this calmer than that, right? Him say, not to beat last, but fine. So if you last it, you have to go find it. So how you talk about nothing and go come out of it? You have to find it.
The man will find it and him
Which
win.
man find it? How you know man find it? You can't know the man they find it, man. You have to go find
You
it.
can't last up and nobody will find it.
You never learn something and find it back? You never learn something and find it back?
All the while.
Alright. Alright, so not all the while, but sometimes. So you have to go find it, brother.
No.
That's funny. You last as funny.
So what?
Because you can't drag your family.
Then up one of card.
Me we know. All when I know card, you understand the response.
Yes.
Last.
Carelessness. Carelessness.
Oh, you don't know what director says
You
I'm
can
mixed
last
up,
for
man.
your week.
Careless.
I want to give me some money, man. We know that. We don't know say I give me some money.
You know you will have no bias.
I'm not biased, man. I look give me some money, man. We know, man. Look, so look back in there, man.
Yeah, look
No,
out.
what about we make mistake, you know? Just like our daddy did make a mistake one day. Look and see if no one make.
I no mistake.
Look and see if you say sorry, man. Look and see.
No, this last.
Yes. Yeah, that feed time we say sorry, though.
This last. Sorry for nothing. This
I
last
mistake
for
that
we.
you
So how we?
Yes, Brooksy, it can last.
Alright.
It can last.
Yes. Yeah.
A two thing to it.
Yes.
It either you try scam me or you careless.
Yeah.
So me have to pay the fine to me.
Yeah, you have to fine.
You're going to have to pay.
Have to fine.
You're going to have to pay.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
have to
man.
fine.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
So me can't bad luck it.
No,
Don't care about that.
then I pay your bad luck. It
Yeah.
costs you have to go pay, you know. And the bad luck, where your bad luck, it costs your fear go pay.
So you don't have lenience.
No, sir.
For what?
No, sir, Papa.
You know, have it before your last our thing.
And one way you can't get to know, you know, you have to use badness.
So look here.
And you have to bad so.
When something a go last
This is
from
sharp
you,
line now, you know.
when something a go last from you didn't know say it a go last.
Eh?
You know
Nobody
what?
When something a go
Nobody
last.
no know, but you will have somebody something to protect it, that's in the last.
That
So
me
you
know.
feel
Last no black up like rain, you know.
Eh? Last of black up like rain, we know that.
Fine black.
You know, fine black up?
If fine black up, none of them.
Mister, just answer. If,
No.
You better try get a light and find this. You better try get a light and find this, you know, brother. Cause me can't take. You know, me know this with him, cat. He want him last the money and you take the losses.
Yeah, man.
And that the man attack say no.
Me not believe
So when he
that.
come now, alright, Mr.
So
Brooksy.
Tunchi.
I say you go.
No, me too we
I
fall.
say you go. Who
Get
back
wrong,
up?
give me money if you go buy something, you know.
Like
If I say you
seriously.
look on me,
Like
You're
serious-
wrong, fit take
Pull
it.
around,
Like
me take it to
seriously.
you know.
Yes, me wrong for take you and the last. So what?
So the man
Just
lose.
stand
fine
fast.
Him lose,
So
man.
2 times him for lose.
So me fi lose.
If something
Might
last,
as
Now you
well.
lost it.
Might
Now you
as
go that
well.
shit
You
way.
lost it.
You that shit way.
if something last from you,
Yeah.
who stand the car?
I want.
I want you
Whatever
laugh.
last
You
from you. Yes, man.
No, sir.
You lost
Yeah,
the
man.
things.
Yeah,
No,
man.
sir.
Yeah, man. I
No.
see him way go. See him way go.
Here, a man trying to send me out.
At that, you
Are
feel
you
know
rough-
now.
are
You
you-
just
no,
attacking
no,
him.
make it
No,
up.
me fi
No,
know.
What
make
you
it
mean, say you feel know?
Me I try tell you this.
You can't try no good for your
Shaman,
man,
the
you know.
ghost shaman.
Yeah, man.
Am I trying to send me out, you know?
Well,
Go, Shaman.
well.
That me I tell you no
That
right
don't
now.
always happen. And you
A man
fi stop
trying to
him and
send
tell
me
him,
out.
say, nobody
That
with that car when he last, me now go can't find.
And the man can't send me out, but I'm me finna go.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
you
man.
try to go.
I do way, I have to stop us, you have to stop the so we can send you out. I make him know. say,
So
look
for
here.
you so bad lucky, that's your luck with sand last. No go.
And him can turn you off a different way too, you know. You see, once you start sending him out, him can tell you, say, look here, me go for you, you know. But if your money last, no blame me, you know.
If me
Find your
money
man
last,
say that to you, you are making notes and nobody go. Done.
Oi, if you tell me that, I'll tell you say if you lost the money and they on your own.
Oh, wait.
Him have to find it. So when you put this on now, we two out now, what man know, say, well, you have to say, no, well, me not going up.
And I give me back my money.
Simple.
Cause
And
me
that's what
I
me I
make
say.
sure tell you say if you lost the money and they on your own.
One, yeah, man. You understand?
Last over money.
So every time when you say no, it's money, you say you tell him.
No.
All right.
No, but if it's somebody have last one fee,
You
man.
ask me that. You depend your own, Papa.
That mean you up to something.
Yeah, when you last and not pay me and pay you last.
So what you say? If me did tell you, say suppose this last.
You up to something.
You had
That
your
mean
own.
me have a plan.
You had
But
your
me you
own.
never go through all this and the money just
You
last,
still
brother.
depend your own.
Nah man, the
You
money
still
last
depend on your
man.
own,
Money last,
Still depend on
brother.
your own. Because you never tell the man what will happen, brother.
And me did meet in a one deep waters with John Brown one time.
Nah,
Yeah.
all of that, that's all him do not go. If you go and my money last, me I go one back free.
But a day to day,
So you know me go through the all
Alright,
of that.
a per man. Alright, watch
Make me know
out.
about
If
John
a
Brown
man, if a
when
man
we
take
relax.
your, if a man,
Just
if a
know.
woman take your car and go crash it, right? You take your car, you know, and go crash it. Are you going to fix it?
True woman.
Then hit me and tell a man.
That's a different song.
I know no difference.
Same
I
something.
can't
Nobody
difference.
different.
No
That
difference.
different.
You
Nobody
know,
different.
you have to just stand for what you do,
What
man.
you do.
That's the thing, man.
Response to what you do.
You give him the key.
Of course,
Then no,
yeah.
me give me money to go
I
spend.
see him with you.
I me give you the key.
Yeah?
I give you my car.
I see you,
And
man.
if me crash him, me response.
Do you know what's a response?
Then I-
That's why you have to pay.
Then
What I tell you?
Nothing peace, I nothing
You
wrong.
really? You really said that, brother?
He left to me,
You
man.
really said that, brother?
Then I who response?
He left to me.
Hey, that man really said that?
Boy, if me beg you drive it different.
Look here.
If me beg you drive, you know, me response. But if you give me your car and
When you
send me
can't
out,
get car, no man not gonna just get up and give
yeah,
man
give
the
me your car.
I
So
see
go down
you.
the road, go buy something for me with your car and me meet in an accident and that's my responsibility.
you have to
No,
pay for it.
brother, no. No.
No, you need to say you
Why
can't.
you send me out?
Then what I do, you say you can't go, you can't drive. You can't go catch him and drive.
You didn't know you didn't know me that go crash? If you know me that go crash, you don't give me a car, you know. Alright.
And that's why you say you can't drive.
Yeah.
Two different team that woman. Cat bias. Cat bias.
You know, trouble me with that Mickey or you come say.
Cat bias
You
woman.
have to pay back for this.
Tell me skitty.
In the right pay back.
And now you send me out with the
You
car.
don't trouble me.
Eh.
You just pay back.
Then support me did there.
So hold on. If you did go down the road and lick down one lick of pick me and they would have got a prison fee.
So Ringo, go buy.
That's different.
Then you pay for the car and mash up.
How you mean?
Oh, you mash up pick me and pay a fee. And you not pay for my car we mash up.
But are you send me out?
No,
Then I ain't send you out mechanic on the
picnic.
picnic.
I never send you go mash up car.
When you lick on the picnic,
I say, I need to drive.
then you in a drive when the car crash though. But you can't stand for that,
Yeah, just like how you go and pay for the
Why
car.
you can't stand for
So
that?
you send me out for?
No, because you want to go somewhere.
man.
You send me
Because you want to go somewhere.
You want something.
And you send me.
And you want to go somewhere too.
Me there sit down good minute. Where me at? And you make me go somewhere give
And
you
you
your car.
want to go.
Somebody should have tell me seminar about.
Thank you.
You're biased.
No, you tell yourself to tell me the truth.
You're biased.
You me a look up too.
Yeah, but suppose I'm wrong.
Me no know, me no
Alright, me I say suppose I'm wrong.
and you have a fix the car.
You deal with insurance deal.
And you must know if insurance are going to deal with it, but you respond to the car.
That's true, man. Yo, my youth, I want to tell you, I want thing I'm telling you, I want thing I'm telling you, you sound unresponsible.
Yeah, man.
I'm telling you, you don't sound good enough. Oh, you don't think you sound good?
You don't sound good.
Oh, you sound good, Johnny. Yeah, just you
Alright,
me send you out.
Alright. Me not have it.
I'm barry.
Me financially embarrassed, me not have it. So who gonna fix it?
Say you're going to prison then, John.
Yes.
Well,
I'm
yeah,
not
Something if you go on.
Me not think me a go to prison.
Yeah, man, something if you go on, Johnny. You have to go down a prison there, brother.
I know you
can't
go say me
just
know.
do
You
so.
got at the
I
court.
judge.
Yeah.
I know
So
me.
when me gonna explain and tell him, he will know my
So you're
case.
not feeling, say the judge are going to say me forget something.
No.
Come watch all you two. You must think judge idea. Judge is a bad man, no?
When you
go to Rogali Company, you think you can go tell you just say your friend, you go send a little picnic.
that's different, man.
Yeah, different, that's the same thing.
From when me have my license and insurance,
Yeah.
once my license up to date, and me have insurance,
And you
leave
live
that
on your
alone.
picnic.
Yeah.
When you live on your picnic,
Yeah.
you not have to stand full responsibility.
So it last from me too.
So you know if you go find back where you last?
Why? Oh.
No, you find now you last it.
Then tell me something now. Me never won $1 million yet in my life. And me last few million. When me ever get million?
Alright, look here. You last $1 million.
Yeah.
A man find $1 million.
Yes.
You know what you have to go do to get my million give it?
What?
Go find the next million too.
Where?
I want you.
So how you not
Where?
Eh?
So you think we glad you have to
So
wait
you
and
quick for
wait.
last.
Oh, you
You
not
quick for
wait.
last.
Me never plan for last.
You never plan? Well,
Me
you know.
ask you
Well, now
already
you have to
say.
go plan for five.
Me ask you say, if last make up like rain, don't when last a come nobody no see it like when rain black up, you know.
No. And so that's
When rain a
fine.
go fall, don't you can say blood clot, look up, this one look. Time black up, rain a go fall. When your money a go last, you know.
No.
Then how me fit know.
You know when you have to find money?
You know what?
You know when you have to find money?
That alone.
Yo, remember
You know? You better look if you find back the million.
Badakat, you're a group enough man and go and go travel with job.
Yeah.
And when they check it out, law will him genuine for true, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know him have to find back the man things game.
No.
Enough time you have to find back the man
None of
things
them
genuine.
dead, they get gunshot.
You're telling them now.
But no,
You're telling them now.
gunshot
I will
dead.
never want the argument for reach there, sir.
Yeah.
We don't want to tell you what we are going to do for your money, you know.
Don't vex now.
Yeah, you're vexed now.
Wait, which one let me show me? Why move there?
So you
Who
last
are in
this.
prison? Alright.
I know
Who
if
are
I
in
genuine,
prison?
then what?
Alright, man. Gunshot back here, that prison.
Them know what go from next for my money.
And you know if they find out the truth, it's done.
But
Man, I'm not dead.
Johnny Ringo, how much
Johnny,
man
go on
dead
now, man. You
because
vexed, star. You're biased, you know.
You see what I said,
You bias, man.
You tell me something, you know. The drugs man, they will give them money. They are the drugs you carry. Then chase, you know. All the Colombian them, the American them. I know if it's genuine, if I choose.
Yeah, but look how much man see genuine and he still have to find the genuine.
I lie, man. We tell one. No, sir, I don't know the one there. You're mad.
Johnny, you know say a country there for you, and you don't really understand what I'm going for you, you know. Even about the gun thing, I see him where a man getting gun and you miss you up, you have to pay back for it, brother. I see you where with the job. See you where with the job. And a long time we are telling about the money and we make you go on a drugs and gun. Look how we make you go on a drugs and gun now. And the money we are talking about. Because you no bias. Because you no bias.
If you give Joe $1 million money, if you go buy some paint uptown, for no go do one big contract. And Josie come and tell us the $1 million loss. Remember a place where you go pay people money. So what you going to do to Josie?
You go say which party last.
That you go ask.
First thing I go ask him. He said, Josie, which party last?
Him a go tell you him no know.
He said, try remember the money. Try remember where you stop last.
Him did know when he lost.
So you are going to go fight.
Can't you that take if you know when you laughing, that go take you up now.
He wouldn't last it.
You see what I say?
Can't know where that.
Last, you can't left something years up.
And figure.
And forgot.
That different from last.
Then the last, but the last, brother man.
Still last.
And he come and tell me. And then, alright, let me give you an example now. You know, say Bushman give me a bicycle one time. What day? And me and Bushman call me around 5 o'clock in the morning and say, Ringo, no me bicycle there. He said, which bicycle? He said, brother, you have to take my bicycle. He said, Bumbo Clark.
At that time, you remember saying you didn't get a ride from Bushman. Because you know used to bicycle.
Me did that too.
Alright, and you know used to bicycle. So anyway, the party,
So you hear me now?
and then you walk with left
This
feet.
is what I say, man. Me think I say, me go out and charge out of the wholesale, and really, and I say, this is me going on. When me go out there, I say to the people, them say, in this, I say, you see me from bicycle, so? And then say, no. I say, me come here, so come buy, because me go buy some material and paint, and I say, me left my bicycle, so they ask me the time, because they want to review the camera, because they have camera. I say, well, me no member. Well, one man tell me, say, go over, because I stop over there. And I say to myself, say, you see me come here, so yesterday we were on bicycle, and then say, see bicycle in the sun park.
So then take it up and
Yeah, put it on. You have to have a bicycle.
Right.
Yeah, so me can, like, you can't left the money, you know.
Yeah, and get it back.
Yeah, where am I saying?
Like,
Yeah, where am I saying? I see where am I for go find the money.
Yeah.
See them where. So you can't
I'm not find me fine.
How are you do?
Me go hawks.
Well, go back and ask.
Everybody
You
laugh,
money, see
everybody
them
go
where.
ask everybody. No, that can't get this
somebody
genuine
come.
go.
Oh, me must get it back.
Yeah.
Me must get it back. Me must get it back.
Say, you just, I'm money just go
You think if I'm money, would I get it?
Alright, I never ask you now.
At your bicycle.
At your bicycle, make you get it back.
At your bicycle.
Yeah.
If I money, me not get it back.
You fuck.